Good evening, Mr. Raja and Mr. Fa. My name is Aditya Mahendra and you can call me Adik. I am from Kain class.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Andari Yuda. You can call me Yuda. I'm from PC 160. Okay, brother, what is our topic today?
Introduce. Yes.
Sorry, what is your name?
My name is Aditya.
Aditya.
Yes.
I can call you Adit, right?
Yes.
So, where are you from?
I am from Kediri.
From Kediri?
Yes.
It's part of Kediri?
Badas.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm from Kediri too, bro.
Fire.
Yes.
Yes.
So, what is your hobby?
My hobby are running and badminton.
Running in badminton?
Yes.
Do you like running?
Yes, I like.
Every day, every evening or every morning?
One week.
A week?
Yeah.
How many kilos?
5 feet.
Five.
Yeah.
It's
5, 6.
6.
Yeah.
Wow, so fast. So do you run alone or with your friend?
And with my friend.
With your friend?
Yeah.
So together.
Yeah.
So what is your favorite food in Bali?
My favorite food is fried chicken.
Fried chicken?
Yes.
Really, just fried chicken.
Fried chicken is good.
Good.
Delicious. Yeah.
How about drink? What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is mineral water.
Mineral water is your
Yeah.
favorite?
Yes.
You said that you like running, right?
Yes.
So, what is your favorite shoes brand?
Mineral.
No, favorite shoes the brand.
Oh, yes.
Adidas or Nike?
My favorite choice is Adidas.
Adidas.
Yeah.
Why?
I think so good, so important. Yeah.
How much your shoes? Price?
Price is 5,000. 500,000. Yes.
I have shoes. It's for running.
Yes.
It's from Ortosik.
Yeah.
Ortosik, I think is cheaper, right? It's very cheapest. Cheapest in over the price. And then comfortable when I run.
Yeah.
Usually every evening.
Every
But this month I'm lazy because I don't have any friend to run, and then I have a lot of homework, so I can't run. So, what is your purpose to learn English?
purpose. My purpose English because I import.
English is important.
Yes, English is important. Job for me. Yeah.
So you wanna learn English because you wanna increase your skill,
Yes.
your English, fluent your English because you wanna find a job, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you know, if we wanna find a job, we must fluent in English, right? It's easier to look for a job. So what else? Do you have partner in your partner? Yes.
I want only.
Partner, I mean partner is a special person.
Special person.
Yeah, in Thai. Because Thai is cruel, right?
Yeah.
So do you have a partner in it?
Partner study English.
Yeah. Partner from girlfriend.
I learn girlfriend.
Wow. So you just focus in English.
Yes.
English you don't wanna be tarik kedua. Yes. Okay, what else? Yeah, you can call me.
Yes. Thank you for attention.